This project is 9 inches wide and 12 inches high, and we have more vertical lines. That means that it will be easier to work from the side. We start the same. Mark the sides with paper tape, tie the end to the stick, and start winding. We make warp 12 inches wide. Set is 6 EPI as before. If you want to make finer details, use set 8 EPI and finer yarn. We count the warp ends. 12 multiply 6 is 72, plus 2 for salvages, 74. Make sure that your tension remains the same in the beginning and in the end. You can ask somebody to help you to hold the frame, or put it on the side if it will be more convenient for you. Insert a piece of cardboard. If you have only small pieces, you can use 2 together. Add a chain, make heddles. I tie them in bundles of 6. Insert the ruler. My ruler is exactly 12 inches, so I add pieces of tape to secure the yarn, so the ruler will not fall off.